Bert didn't like having a neighbor. Kip was loud and he dropped acorns.
I need a break.
Said Bert.
I think I'll go to the beach.
Bert warmed in the sand. She dipped her toes in the water. She ate a snack.
I love the beach.
She said. Just then, Bert saw something. There was a big house in the sky,
Oh no!
said Bert.
That hawk will eat me.
Bert found a good place to hide. At last, the house was gone. Bert flew back home,
I see a big hawk.
said Bert.
Oh no!
Said Kip.
I don't like hawk. Where was it? It was at the beach.
Said Bert.
Will it come here?
Asked Kip.
I don't think so.
Said Bert.
This tree is a very safe place.